G'day, wildlife enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting adventure where we explore the wonders of our natural world. Have you ever wondered what the most beautiful place on Earth is? Is it a place you've seen in a dream, or perhaps a destination you've always wanted to visit? Is it a snowy mountain top where the air is crisp and the views are absolutely breathtaking? Or maybe it's a sunny beach with waves crashing on the shore where the sound of the ocean soothes your soul and the palm trees sway gently in the breeze? Or perhaps it's a field of flowers blooming in every color imaginable, creating a vibrant tapestry that stretches as far as the eye can see. Well, get ready, because I'm about to take you on a journey to a place so incredible, so full of life, it's like stepping into another world, a place where nature's beauty is on full display. We're going on an adventure to the Amazon rainforest. This is one of the most biodiverse places on the planet, home to countless species of plants and animals. The Amazon rainforest is a huge rainforest in South America. It's a place where the trees are so tall they seem to touch the sky, and the rivers wind their way through the dense foliage like veins in a living organism. It's so big that it covers 9 countries. Can you believe that? This vast expanse of greenery is a vital part of our planet's ecosystem, playing a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. It's like a giant green ocean stretching as far as the eye can see. The Amazon rainforest is not just a place, it's a living, breathing entity that supports an incredible array of life. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature here plays a part in the intricate web of life. So buckle up and get ready to explore this natural wonder with me. Let's dive into the heart of the Amazon and discover the secrets it holds.
Section 5. The Fragrant Forest. Take a deep breath. What can you smell? The Amazon is full of amazing scents. The air is thick with the sweet smell of blooming flowers, the earthy aroma of damp soil, and the fresh, clean scent of rain. But be careful. Not all the smells in the rainforest are pleasant. Some plants and animals use their stink to protect themselves from predators. It's a jungle out there, and every creature has its own way of surviving.
Section 6. The People of the Trees. Did you know that people live in the Amazon rainforest? Indigenous tribes have called this place home for thousands of years. They live in harmony with nature, using the rainforest's resources for food, shelter, and medicine. These tribes are the guardians of the forest, and they have a deep understanding of its secrets. They can teach us so much about living sustainably and protecting this precious ecosystem.
Section 7. Ancient Secrets of the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest is a treasure trove of ancient secrets, a vast expanse of greenery that holds within it the stories of civilizations long gone. Deep within its heart lie the ruins of lost cities, hidden by time and swallowed by the jungle. These cities, once bustling with life, are now silent, their secrets buried under layers of foliage and earth. Archaeologists are still uncovering the mysteries of these ancient civilizations, learning about their culture, beliefs, and way of life. Each artifact they find, each structure they uncover adds a new piece to the puzzle of our past. Imagine pyramids covered in vines, temples guarded by giant trees, and treasures waiting to be discovered. These structures, hidden for centuries, tell tales of a time when the Amazon was home to thriving communities. The Amazon is a place where history comes alive, where the past whispers through the leaves and the spirits of ancient cultures still linger in the air. It's a place where every step you take could lead to a new discovery, a new understanding of the world that once was. From ancient pottery and tools to intricate carvings and statues, the artifacts found in the Amazon offer a glimpse into the daily lives of its ancient inhabitants. These items tell stories of their craftsmanship, their rituals, and their connection to the land. Researchers meticulously study and catalog these finds, piecing together the history of the Amazon's ancient civilizations. Their work is like that of detectives, unraveling the mysteries of a world that has long since faded away. The Amazon River, winding its way through the jungle, has been a lifeline for these civilizations, providing water, food, and a means of transport. Its presence is a reminder of the interconnectedness of nature and human life. As the sun sets over the Amazon, casting a golden glow over the lush greenery, one can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. The rainforest, with its ancient secrets and mystical atmosphere, continues to captivate and inspire those who venture into its depths.
Section 8. Dangers and Discoveries. Exploring the Amazon rainforest can be dangerous. There are jaguars with sharp teeth and claws, poisonous snakes lurking in the undergrowth, and spiders that can give you a nasty bite. But with a little bit of caution and respect for the wildlife, it's an adventure you'll never forget. Every day in the Amazon brings new discoveries. Scientists are constantly finding new species of plants and animals, and there's still so much we don't know about this incredible ecosystem. Who knows what amazing creatures are still out there waiting to be found?
Section 9. Protecting Paradise. The Amazon rainforest is a precious resource, not just for the plants and animals that live there, but for the whole planet. This vast expanse of greenery is often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, because it plays a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. The Amazon is a living, breathing entity that supports countless species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. It helps to regulate the Earth's climate, provides us with clean air and water, and is home to a wealth of biodiversity. The Amazon River, winding through the heart of the rainforest, is a lifeline for both the wildlife and the indigenous communities that depend on it. The vibrant colours of the birds, the intricate patterns of the insects, and the majestic presence of the jaguars all contribute to the rich tapestry of life that makes the Amazon so unique. But the Amazon is under threat from deforestation, pollution, and climate change. Every year, vast areas of the forest are cleared for agriculture, logging, and mining, leading to habitat loss and a decline in biodiversity. Pollution from industrial activities and illegal dumping further degrades the environment, while climate change exacerbates these issues by altering weather patterns and increasing the frequency of extreme events. It's up to all of us to protect this incredible place for future generations. Activists and conservationists are working tirelessly to combat these threats, but they need our support. By raising awareness, advocating for sustainable practices, and supporting policies that protect the rainforest, we can all contribute to the preservation of this vital ecosystem. By learning about the rainforest and supporting conservation efforts, we can all do our part to ensure that this paradise on Earth continues to thrive. Educational programs and community initiatives play a crucial role in fostering a deeper understanding of the importance of the Amazon. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that the Amazon rainforest remains a vibrant and vital part of our planet for generations to come.
Section 10. Your Amazon adventure awaits. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your binoculars, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. The Amazon rainforest is waiting to welcome you with open arms, and maybe a few mosquito bites, but it's totally worth it. Remember to dream big, explore with curiosity, and always treat nature with respect. Who knows, maybe one day you'll make your own amazing discoveries in the heart of the Amazon.